Everybody, welcome to my channel. This is a now I have this spot welder here. I wanted to know if this thing can do this nickel strip because I've been using. I know it can. Well, because the result, guys. You see this thing? 35. I did this. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do a few for you guys to see. All this thing was done by this guy. Also, I have a video. I did the back of it with a different spot welder. Okay, this is this nickel strip, guys. This one. I'm gonna do it live. I gotta do one more here, one more here, one more there. I'm gonna show you the difference when I put it at I believe 27. I had this thing at 27. What does it look like? Okay. And also I'm gonna have it at 35 to see what it looked like. Okay, guys, this is the nickel strip that I have here. It's 2 point something. Let me bring it for you guys to see. Okay, this is the company who does it. Pure nickel strip. It looks strong though. It looks very strong. I'm having a hard time to cut it. Okay, my scissor doesn't work on that one. So I already cut this guy. So let's move this thing out of the way. I'm gonna do a few for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna do one. Okay, I'm gonna do one with 27. That's what I had it earlier. Let me bring it back. 27. I'm gonna do one. This one is done already, guys. This one is done already. Let's go into this one to do. This is a bit too long. Let me cut this thing. Okay, guys, let's go right to it. This is very weak comparative at this. When I was doing it the first time, okay, that's 27 right there. When I do it, when I put two of them together, there's two of them together, it doesn't work. It's still holding it. It's still holding it, you know. But I need it stronger, so I go 35 there. Now you're gonna see. It's much better. I'll show you guys in a few minutes. Now you're gonna see the difference in this too. Okay guys, I'm putting this one there too. Let me show you guys what this thing looks like. Okay, that's the one I did. That's part well on down top of it. I think 27 will work. I just want a bigger spot well, that's all. Okay. There's people who's doing this. Okay guys, I put the strip there. Here I am doing this. Okay, This is 2.2, double it. Would you say 0.4 now? Okay. This is a little test, you know. Some people have those little thing, that little strip of paper, they just... You can go ahead and finish it up, guys, and show you what this thing looks like. Okay, guys, I got another strip to put in here. Now, this video is about this guy. It's about this guy. Okay? This is a 12-volt battery that I'm doing. I'm also making a video of how to make it. So I'm going to do that strip here for you guys to see how strong, good that thing is. Okay? Okay, guys, all this strip been put in on, I need to do the course. I don't know if I can do 2 of the course or 1 of the course. First, this is the cover. I want to make sure the cover is accurate. That's the cover. What the hell? So far, so good. Cover is set. Probably zip tight it for the time being. Well, I don't want to undo this, okay? This is strong. This is very strong, guys. Now I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I double it. I should double that too. I don't know. Let's see what happened there, guys. Okay, guys, I cut this nickel strip, okay? I believe, I don't know if it's going to work because this is at 35. Every time you add another nickel strip, it will get stronger, guys. So this one doesn't have one, but I have 2 of 0.2 on top of it, each other. Now this is 0.2. I'm about to glue to put it in here. So let's see what will happen here, guys. Okay, will it work? Yeah, I think it will work. If it doesn't work, we will increase it. We are still at 35. Let's see what happened there, guys. It looks a little bit weak, guys. Let's do another one. Now let's go take a look. Now the nickel strip is triple now. This is not bad. Can I take it out? It is spot well. But I want mine to be stronger, so see, it's not bad comparatively. It's not bad, it's almost the same thing, but I want it deeper. So I'm gonna increase it to 40. Okay? Put it at 40 and do it again. I have a lot of them. Before I do that, guys, I'm gonna check the voltage of my battery to make sure I'm still in the right zone here, because I don't want my thing to die, because those things die. The spot welder die when they have low voltage. Okay, check this thing. I'm at 13.4. I'm pretty good. 13.4. I have this at 40. I should be good. And this thing should be 12.6. That's my battery. Let's go box welding, guys. Let's see what 40 will do. Let's do it in here and we'll compare it. Yeah, I like that better. This little thing is not that bad. Does it make a difference? We're gonna compare those two, right? Okay. Gonna add 2 more here. I don't see the difference, guys. This is the one I just did, right? And this those 2. And this is the other one. Look at those. I think this is fine. Let me go ahead and complete this. You guys can see. Now it's up to you guys if you want to buy this, but I'm loving it. So I have 2 of them so far. This is about a week. It does part well, but it's a bit, I feel like it's a bit weak. I don't think I need to put any more in there. Let's do the last one. This is strong. I don't like it. It feels weak. Yeah, I'm wearing glasses, so maybe my eyes. This is pretty good. Look at this thing. My eye doesn't look. I don't. From, I'm looking at the camera, guys. I can look at it. I see it, but with my eyes, I don't see nothing. I don't think it's that strong. Maybe I have too much. My number is too high. Okay, guys, this is done. I have. Okay, folks. This is pretty good. I had it at 40. I don't know. Some people will talk about making this thing double the strip. I don't think it should go to double any strip. Double the MOSFET. Because he had stains on the back, you can double the MOSFET. I don't think you should do that. This is pretty nice, and I love it. Okay, folks. This is to let you guys know how this thing works. So I did a couple performance for you guys to see how great this thing is. This is what this thing does. Let me take a picture, guys, for the frame. This is great spot work, guys. Well, guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel if you did not subscribe, okay?